exercise may improve memory retention in the elderly. Even though we all know that regular physical activity is beneficial to our health, there are still many unanswered concerns. How active are you? Who reaps the most rewards? When in our lives? A new study conducted by University of Pittsburgh psychologists combines data from hundreds of trials to indicate that older persons may avoid memory loss by exercising regularly. The term episodic memory refers to the ability to recall prior experiences. It's also one of the first things to deteriorate as we become older. Exercising with a high heart rate has shown promise in improving brain health and memory in rats, but human research investigating the same relationship have shown inconsistent results. The researchers sifted through 1,279 papers in search of answers in the muddled scientific literature before settling on 36 that fulfilled their strict standards. A large number of Excel spreadsheets were then utilized to translate the data into a format that allowed the various research to be directly compared. They were rewarded for their efforts when they discovered that combining the results of 36 separate trials showed that regular exercise may improve cognition in older persons. They published their findings in the journal Communications Medicine on February 17, which included Akjayan's advisor Kirk Erickson in the Department of Psychology and researchers from Pitt, Carnegie Mellon University and Iowa University. Akjayan and her colleagues took numerous additional procedures to ensure that they had the highest probability of detecting a correlation between exercise and memory. They narrowed their scope by focusing on certain demographics and age ranges, as well as by using a specific kind of experimental design. In addition, a portion of the brain that has been shown to benefit from exercise was used to assist episodic memory. Individual studies failed to discover a relationship between physical activity and improved memory. It needed a comprehensive review of the available evidence to identify the pattern. Extensive research has shown that physical activity may improve episodic memory, but the study's findings have also helped researchers identify who benefits and how.